Unleash the power of discounted train travel with your railcard and let's get you saving money on Trainline. First, open the Trainline app or visit the Trainline website. Enter your origin and destination stations, along with your desired travel date and time. Before searching for tickets, tap on the Add Railcard option. This is usually found below the Passenger Details section. A list of railcard types will appear. Scroll through the list and select the specific railcard you own. Make sure you pick the correct one. You may be prompted to enter your railcard number and expiry date. Fill in this information accurately. Some railcards are now digital, so you might need to link your Trainline account to your railcard account. Now, proceed with your ticket search. You should see discounted fares displayed in the search results, clearly indicating the savings you're making with your railcard. Review your chosen ticket and make sure the railcard discount has been correctly applied before proceeding to payment. The discount should be displayed clearly next to the ticket price. Complete your purchase as usual. Enjoy your discounted train journey and the money you've saved thanks to your railcard.